Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we are going to take a look at this editorial calendar and we're going to deconstruct it based on the steps that we have already taken in this course. Now you'll notice that the editorial calendar is constructed with 5 lists across the top. And these are the same lists that we have been creating in our boards by clicking Add a List. You also have cards with checklists, and these checklists are the same checklists that we have created in our boards. And you've seen those checklists created from the menu item checklist and then adding an item into the checklist feature. You also see that this editorial calendar makes use of dates, and the dates assume that all of these steps are completed before the person can actually check off the due date for this one task step. You also see that this editorial calendar makes use of files uploaded directly to the card. Finally, you can see where tasks have been completed and where tasks are in various stages of completion depending on the due date and depending on the checklist. So in essence, this editorial calendar can be created with steps that have already been taken in this course with a layout of lists equaling the various stages of the publishing process. Now this is one way that you can create a board that requires a process and requires multiple team members to complete their part of the task. Now lastly, this board does make use of one item that was not discussed in this course, and that is the calendar power up. And when you click the calendar, you can see the month visually and the tasks that are going to be due. That calendar can be added to your Trello board by looking for the calendar power up and clicking enable. Of course, you'll need to configure the calendar by using this gearbox. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.